Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to make a package with limitation. So follow me. To supervise your seller, log into WHM, packages, add a package to its name, for example XYZ1. For example, we give 2 giga for disk space. 2000 megabyte equal to 2 giga. For example, 10,000 10 gigabyte for bandwidth. Max FTP 5 email. That's just for simple. You can add them as you want, so that's the important thing. Maximum hourly email by domain. Okay, add success. Now we have a package. That's one. So go to plugins, LVE manager, packages. From here we can give limitation to the package about when we give this package to any client, we'll take this limit. For example, if it's 100%, take 1 core. If I change 200, we'll take 2 core. If I change to 300, we'll take 3 core. So I put 100 normal, or you can make a 50% or 25%. Just normally add 100. About memory, you can add 1 gigabyte memory or 250 megabyte as you want. I give 1 gigabyte. Also about this speed of the internet, I give 5 megabyte per second. Save. Now you have a package with this limitation option. That's about notifying when something happens. Will inform us. Static user. We don't have any user now. That's it. Bye bye.